Are you looking for the best fishing rod spinning fishing rod? In this video we will look at some of the best fishing rod spinning fishing rod on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sougayilang 1.8 to 3.6 meters telescopic fishing rod. Sougayilang 1.83.6 telescopic fishing rod and 11 BB fishing reel wheel portable travel fishing rod spinning fishing rod combination. This fishing rod is made of carbon fiber, strong and durable. The characteristics of good elasticity and strong heavy capacity. Adjustable length fishing rod for situations where full-size fishing gear is inconvenient. Number 2. Spinning fishing rod and reel combo. This fishing rod is made from carbon fiber, strong and durable, with the features of good elasticity and strong heavy capacity. Adjustable length fishing rod for situations where full-size fishing gear is inconvenient. Portable closed length design for conveniently carrying around. Best suitable for fishing from the shore, reefs and rocks on trips and vacations. Number 3. SantaKing spinning fishing combo. Premium material. The fishing rod features a carbon body, combining durability with lightweight performance. The reel has a metal body for enhanced sturdiness. Complete set comes with a variety of lures, hooks, and a 100mm nylon line, providing all-in-one convenience for fishing enthusiasts. Fishing rod material. Carbon type spinning rod models 1.8 meters 2.1 meters. Sections 5, Section 6, Section weight 98 grams, 112 grams lead weight, 8 to 25 grams line weight, 8 to 15 pounds. Number 4. Sea rod set, long range casting, fishing reel. Este Canada pescara sto hecada fibra de carbono, resistant y duradera. Con las características de buena elasticidad y gran capacidad pesada. Canada pescada longitud adjustable para situaciones en las que el equipo de pesca determinó completo es inconveniente. Dicen portátil de longitud cerrada para transportarlo cómodamente. Number 5. Portable sea rod set, long range casting. Este Canada pescara sto hecada fibra de carbono, resistant y duradera. Con las características de buena elasticidad y gran capacidad pesada. Canada pescada longitud adjustable para situaciones en las que el equipo de pesca determinó completo es inconveniente. Dicen portátil de longitud cerrada para transportarlo cómodamente. Ideal para pescar en la costa, arrecifes y rocas en viajes y vacaciones.